If your Spectrum router is blinking orange, it may be due to an outage in your area, which can cause minimal or lost internet connectivity. To investigate, log into your Spectrum account to check if there is an ongoing outage or maintenance. And if so, wait for the issue to be resolved. Another possible reason for the orange blink is that the router has been running continuously for too long, potentially causing connection glitches. In this case, try unplugging the router from the power supply, letting it rest for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. A defective Ethernet cable can also interfere with the internet connection, so ensure it is firmly and correctly connected to the power supply, and inspect it for any damage, repairing or replacing it if necessary. Additionally, faulty router settings may be preventing a secure connection, and resetting the router to its factory settings may be the solution. This can be done by pressing and holding the reset button for more than 15 seconds to perform a hard reset.